Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechGym. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove background from image without Photoshop. Before starting, subscribe my YouTube channel for latest updates. So let's start. Open google.com and search remove BG. Click on first website. Here you can see upload button. Click on it. I don't have any image, so I am going to download it from Google. Now click on upload button and select the photo. You can see the background has been automatically removed. Click download button to save image. Thanks for watching my video. Click subscribe button for more videos.